10 years ago. Winston came here for the first time. I'm going to tell you about it. Winston's shy.
Why don't you tell my story and then I'll tell your story?
Okay. And then we'll vote which is the better story. Winston came here 10 years ago with a bloke called Jersey Ben, and at that time you were playing the banjo already, were you? And then he came to Nashville and played a lot of banjo, and then we sent him away after our first record to go and relearn the banjo because he had some work to do. And he spent 3 months in Nashville and came back a significantly better banjo player, and then we made Babel.
There was once a very young, sweet boy from Wimbledon, London. This is a real rags to riches story, guys, so you're gonna love this. This is the American dream, British style. He had nothing going for him. He was an ugly baby. He wasn't really liked by anyone. No, wait, not my words. Your mother and I are very close. So you can find... No, but it turns out quite all right. So Marcus, got for all that and found himself in Nashville, Tennessee. And he bought himself his first Martin guitar, which is here tonight, but actually, as of last night, is no longer being played. Sorry, Martin. Nice bloke, Martin, actually. The Martin family, his mum and dad's name, I don't know. What's their surname? Anyway, he wrote some songs on that guitar, is that right? And we're playing some of it tonight. So it really all started in Nashville. The rest, as they say in Nashville, is l'histoire. Is that the local language?
Anyway, we'll be here all night. Hey? Suffice to say, we're glad to be back in Nashville. This is a choir.